Alright, this is the Amazon Basics 800 volt speaker removal. I haven't done this one before, but I just opened it up and it looks pretty simple. You actually don't need to take the battery cover off. It's just going to be 4 screws here, and here. You'll need a long screwdriver bit. Long and thin to get down in there. But once those are off, this comes right off, and you can kind of see right in there. Let me see if I can hold this up to you. That is the speaker. So to permanently disable those, all I do is rip it the F out. See ya. Hopefully without breaking anything else. Came right out. Okay. See if you can see that. Sometimes those pins break off. Sometimes they come out nice and clean. Alright, let's put this back together. I believe all my screws are still intact in there. This one screw. That one fell out. I think that's the one that goes there. Got that screw too. No. That should all be good, I think. Power it up. No beepy beepy. Alright, enjoy.